Good morning. Today is June 24th. We're out here in Fairfield Farms in Fayetteville, North Carolina on our first of 2 jobs today. All right, let me show you where we're at. All right, we have about 5 areas, so stay tuned.
Carpet cleaning at its best. Carpet cleaning, yeah. Woke up early, van packed tight, Dre William rolling on the Wednesday morning light. Mr. Mrs. C said we want our carpets fresh like you always do it. We got family coming in town for the 4th of July. We want them fresh and clean. Call Slammy Gone said help us with the plan. Screw it down, clean it up, hit the stains, clean it up. Traffic lanes fading now, they looking brand new. Air room freshened up, that's what we do. Carpet so fresh, deodorizer in the air. Smelling so good, got everybody stopping there and staring. Carpet so fresh and so clean, Mrs. C was so impressed when she stepped on the scene. Who that? Who make old carpet look brand new? Same day service, that's the mission. No